Just taking pictures. What were you going to say? You were going to tell me something. No, you were going to tell me something.
Can you get me another soap? Like my baby soap?
So when you said that when your stomach gets warm, when your tummy gets warm, that's when you get mad. That's not true? It is. When your tummy gets warm, you get mad. That's true.
Oh, it's hot.
Here.
Really hot. That's good.
Are you doing your face too?
Yeah.
Good job. Getting ready for bed? Did you have fun next door? Yeah? Okay. What'd you do?
When have you ever played these in the
Played?
No. My phone games.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Now I got 2. Then
Did you get the water off the soap off your face?
I got 10.
Why? Oh, that's how you do it?
Oh, she's so good at washing her face.
She's doing awesome. Did you get it off? Be careful. All done? Whoa. All done?